everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another July unboxing to share with you, and this time it is Glossybox. Gorgeous, gorgeous Aloha design. Really pretty box. Normally we get the pale pink box, but it's a special edition this month. So yes, it's a nice little keepsake box there. So if you're new to Glossybox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But as always, if you've seen it before and you're just curious in seeing what I received in this sellout box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So this box is unfortunately sold out. Not unfortunate for Glossybox, but unfortunate for anybody that wants to sign up for this month. However, if you would really like to subscribe to Glossybox, they are now taking pre-orders for their August box. So yeah, so back to this box then. So this month sees 2 variations, and that is all, which I think is amazing. So the only difference between the variations is the type of face mask that you'll receive. Everything else in the box, everybody will receive the same. So the cost of the box is £13.25, and that includes shipping. If you opt for a rolling monthly subscription, you can cancel any month, but they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription as well. Because they've had huge success with sellout boxes for the last couple of months, they have halted any discount codes off their boxes, but you are still able to get a 12-month subscription, which is discounted to, that's what I get for myself. I think I pay £11.75. So as well as my own paid for subscription, I also receive their PR boxes as well. So they kindly send them to me. This is actually a PR box. I haven't had my paid for one yet, but they send me the boxes so that I'm able to show you and tell you all about it. All details and everything related to the subscription I'll pop down below, so underneath this video, see show more. If you click that'll bring it up and everything will be listed down there. That's all I can see is massive shoulders in the little viewfinder. Like, it's not supposed to be that big, but they're fluffing up. Anyway, so let's get on to open it up and showing you what you get inside. So it arrives. I've got a little card here and it tells you everything about the products inside the box, and it also gives you a sneak peek for next month, although they are not giving us a sneak peek. It says it's their birthday surprise for the next month. We'll be celebrating our birthday and we couldn't be more excited. Not only do we have an incredible box waiting for you, but we've got an even more exciting announcement. A project we've been working on for almost 2 years is finally coming its way. Watch out, because Glossybox is about to become bigger and better than ever. Now, I haven't got a clue what they're on about. What do they mean? They've been working on it for over 2 years. That's a long time, isn't it? So as soon as you find out, please let me know, or if I find anything out, I will let you know as well. Mainly on my Facebook page and my Instagram page. So there's all the information in there. And remember me saying that the only variations this month are the masks. So we'll either get a strawberry or a watermelon mask. The packaging this month is absolutely stunning. It is so pretty. The colours, the boxes, the actual design of the products themselves. I love it. I think it's fab. It says here, hey Glossies, as July is all about tropical summer vibes, we've brought that Aloha feeling straight to your door. No matter where you spend your sunny months, you'll feel like you're on a sandy beach of Hawaii thanks to these 5 beautiful must-haves. Whether you're on the hunt for a radiant sun-kissed glow, need a refreshing skincare treatment, or want to add a flush of colour to your lips, we've got everything you need nestled into your special design. July Aloha Glossybox. Let the summertime scents and radiance enhancing products carry you away into the sunset. Right then, I'm dying to see what this is like. It's an Aloha bronzer. This is by a brand called Give Them La La. Never heard of that before, or never heard of them before. Based in the USA. Yeah, it's cruelty free, and it looks like this shade is Ibiza. Yeah, it's got it on the back there. Got a mirror there, and that's the shade. Oh, that's lovely. That is really nice. It's got very faint sort of gold flecks in it. I'll just see what it's like on my hands. Oh, that is so buttery smooth. That is really nice. Oh, on my finger, it almost looks orange. Look how shiny that is. Let's see what it's like. Wow. It's definitely a shimmery bronzer. So perfect for the summer. Perfect for the summer. I don't wear any shimmery types of bronzers in the winter time, but yeah, in the summer it is quite nice. That is more on the highlighter than the bronzer side. It's more peachy toned, isn't it? Everything inside this month's box is also full size. So this bronzer will cost you £19.80. Even if you can't make it onto a sunny beach this summer, you can still show off a natural looking sun-kissed tan thanks to this bronzer. Boasting a long wearing, highly pigmented formula, it glides effortlessly onto your skin to give you that bronze goddess look. Use a large fluffy brush to apply it along your hairline, down your cheekbones and across your jaw. It looks beautiful, but I think I'm going to have to be careful on how I apply it first of all. But no, I am really excited to give that a go, and I love the packaging. Love that. Next we got a product by DiaryOfABeautyGeek's, and again this is a lovely brand. I love the actual packaging. See, it's just stunning, isn't it? And this is orange juice hand cream. Oh my word. If ever I was given the chance to make a hand cream, it'd have to contain oranges or lemons. It'd have to, but an orange juice one. I can't wait to smell this. This is DiaryOfABeautyGeek's natural and organic. This is regenerative hand cream, and there's 100 mils there. I'm not sure if I showed you properly. Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice. Really nice and fresh, really lovely. So the recommended retail price is £11.50, and it says there's no better way to hydrate your skin this summer than with this luscious hand cream that smells of freshly squeezed orange juice. Blend in shea butter, chamomile, aloe vera and orange water. This intensely moisturising formula infuses your skin with revitalising nutrients and vitamins that will leave it feeling soft and regenerated. Massage into your hands and nails throughout the day as and when required. So there's that. Next we got a makeup product, and this is by the brand Jekka Black, and these are glow drops, highlighting primer for the face, vegan friendly and cruelty free, and these are rose pearl, and there's 20 mils in there. Glow drops prep and brighten your complexion with a healthy natural glow. Apply all over your face using your fingertips. Use before makeup. I used Charlotte Tilbury's Wonder Glow today, and I really like it. It's a sample I had, and I just really like it. I'm not sure whether it's made a difference to my face, but I do feel a little bit more glowy than normal. So yeah, so that's what it looks like there. I was expecting it to be more like a pinky shimmery, but it's not. It's really, really lovely. It is really nice. Can you see there next to the bronzer? Oh, I'm impressed. I am really impressed with that. I need to blend it in to see what it's like when it's all blended. I want them to help my skin look fresh and healthy and dewy and glowy. I don't want to look like a robot. I really like this. I really like this. You're not going to see much there at all. It's there. It's left my skin with a slight sheen to it. It's just really nice. So the recommended retail price for this primer is £16. Not only do they prime your skin and create a glowing base ready for makeup, but they hydrate your skin too. Simply spread the primer evenly onto your face using your fingertips, and then apply your base makeup over the top. A hydrated, iridescent finish awaits. So there's that. Next we got an item by the Beauty Crop. This is a lip and cheek balm and colour, and we've got it in Mauve Wave. I love the colour. You can see there. It's really pretty. Ooh. That is nice. It's a really nice subtle tint there. Just wondering if it smelt of like cherries or something. No, it doesn't. For me, I'm more likely to use it on my lips because I've got electrolysis marks. I've got scars left on my cheeks, which I had electrolysis done about 6-7 months ago. I can go over those areas using powdered, highlighters, blush, bronze, everything like that. But when it comes to creams, I've got to be really careful because it can lift off the makeup, and you can see my scars underneath the makeup. So I probably wouldn't use that for my cheeks, but I would use it for my lips, definitely. That'd be quite a nice tinted lip balm. So to purchase this, it will cost you £18. Formulated with 90% natural plant-based oils, including coconut and apricot oils. Its luscious texture not only conditions and hydrates your pout, but also doubles as a creamy blush to add a fresh, rosy flush to your complexion. Apply it onto your cheeks, lips, or eyelids, then blend it with your fingertips for a natural, radiant finish. So you've got a 2-in-1 makeup product. And then lastly, we got the sheet mask. So I've been given watermelon, which is really lovely. Oh, watermelon and strawberry. I would have been happy with either. But this is by Coco Star, and it's a slice mask sheet. This is made in Korea. and it's got 12 slices. Look at that. I want to open it up and just have a look and to show you, but I'm worried that if I open it up, and obviously I'm not using it, you know, will it dry it out? I'm not too sure. Shall I open up and show you? Ooh, I just want to have a look. Oh, the smell is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, it is gorgeous. It really good. It is so, these are so weird. I've made a right mess here, but basically, think sticker sheets. Look. You put them on your eyes like that. And there's 12 little eye masks there. I'm actually going to have to like sellotape that up so that it doesn't dry out, because they're not individual then, you know. So to purchase this, it will cost you £4. Infused with either natural strawberry or watermelon extracts, they provide your complexion with an intense burst of moisture and hydration that helps to protect your skin barrier and feels so refreshing. Apply yours onto clean, dry skin for 15 to 20 minutes, then peel off and massage the excess serum into your skin. I am completely and utterly baffled now. Oh, hold on a minute. Oh, look at the picture. So that little watermelon that I took out, you apply them all to your face. All 12 of them to your face. I just assumed they'd be for your eyes. Oh, I can't wait to use it though. I'm definitely going to do that tonight. If I remember, I'll take a photo and pop it up on Instagram to show you what I look like. Face full of these watermelons. But yeah, so there you go. So those are all the items. So I'll just gather them all up and I'll add them all up. So these are all the products inside Glossybox's July beauty box. The cost of the box is £13.25, including shipping. The value comes to around £70. I absolutely love it this month. I think they have got a winner of a box here. I love the theme, I love the actual box, the packaging, even the shades on these products. They all match. This mask blew my mind, as you saw. Bit bonkers. We've got a glow primer, we've got a bronzer, we've got a lip and cheek, and you can use it on your eye. It's a balm, and we've got a hand cream as well. I do think they all go together really nicely. It's all about summer and fruity and fresh and everything, which I really like. As I said at the start, this box is now sold out, but who knows what we'll receive in August box. I don't know. So there's no spoilers there, but I'm really intrigued to find out what Glossybox have been planning for the last 2 years. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you a subscriber? Have you received your box yet? Or are you watching this wondering whether Glossybox is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.